Type your recipient's full name, middle name, and last name. Then click Next. Type their GCash wallet here. Let's first download and install the World Remit app from Google Play Store. Once done, open the app to start creating your account. If you already have an account, use the login option. But if not, let's proceed with the registration and verification of your account. Let's say we are going to send money from the USA. I'll select Texas and type my email and password. If you need a referral code, you will need to send money first using WorldRemit to gain access to a referral voucher. Go back to the previous page. Click the Sign Up button to create your account. Now that your account has been created, create a PIN code to secure your account. Then confirm the PIN that you just created here. Then you will need to enter your mobile number here. The country code that you see here depends on the country you used to register. So if you're from the US, it will show up as 1. Then click the Submit button. Now enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to your number here. Then click the Submit button. Alright, you just completed the registration. You can now send money to the Philippines or anywhere you like. Go to the bottom of this page and click the Send button at the center. Select the country and currency you want to send your money. I'll select Philippine Peso here. Make sure PHP is highlighted. Click here to set the receive method. Select Mobile Money Transfer. Click Next. Enter the amount you wish to send in the first field. You will be able to see the exchange rate here and the conversion to Philippine Peso in this field here. If you're okay with the conversion, click the Next button. You can now select either GCash, PayMaya, ShopeePay, or GrabPay. But before we select an option, please note that it's best to know your recipient's GCash, PayMaya, ShopeePay, or GrabPay cash-in limit before sending your money. It is just safe to assume that their wallet's cash-in limit also applies when money is being sent from WorldRemit.com. Alright, let us now select GCash. Click Next. Choose a recipient if you already have them listed here, or click Add New Receiver to start adding your recipients. Let's start with the recipient's full name. Click the required button to start. Type your recipient's full name, middle name, and last name. Then click Next. Type their GCash wallet here. This is the mobile number they use to register to GCash. Type their mobile number without the 0 at the beginning. Click Next to proceed. Then type the address here. Then their phone number again, without the leading 0. And then your reason for sending the money to your recipient. I'll just select Family and Friend Support here and hit Confirm at the bottom. You can now review the complete details of your new recipient here. If all the details are correct, click Confirm. Click the Select Payment Method button up here. Select where your funds will be coming from by selecting either a debit card or a credit card. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Complete your profile by clicking Get Started. This is just like when you added your recipient details here. Start by clicking Required on the top right-hand side near the Name section. Type your first name, middle name, and then last name. Click Next. Type your address here, and then when you're done, click Next. Select your employment status here, and fill out the rest of the fields here. And then when you're done, click Confirm. As the sender, you can now review your complete details here. You can update your details by clicking Change up here. If all your details are correct, click Done. WorldRemit will now verify your sender details. After checking your details, you will also be required to upload an ID document and submit a selfie photo. Click Continue to proceed. Click Choose Document to start with the verification of your identity. Select which country has issued the documents that you will be submitting. Let's say you, as a sender, is a Filipino who is working in the USA. A document like a passport will probably be issued by the Philippines. And so you will select the Philippines as the issuing country. At the bottom, you can select from any of these 3 accepted documents. Let's choose passport for this tutorial. In this step, you will need to give the WorldRemit app to access your camera so you can proceed in taking a photo of your document and a selfie photo. Click the Enable in Settings button. Go to Permissions, select Camera, and click Allow Only while using the app. Head back to the WorldRemit app. and you can now take a photo of your document and upload it to this app. Position your document and the photo of yourself and wait 24 to 48 hours to be verified. And those are the steps to send money with WorldRemit. If you need to remove the permission, watch the final step. In this part of the tutorial, we will be changing or removing the permissions from the WorldRemit app. Click Settings, type the Apps or App Manager, find the WorldRemit app, open it, and click Permission or App Permission. You can change the camera permission from allowed only when using the app to ask every time or not allowed. And that's it! If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!